Welcome to today's video, where we tackle a common problem encountered when working with JavaFX GridPane and ScrollPane. The issue at hand revolves around inserting a grid of text fields into a ScrollPane, but encountering a situation where the grid is not displayed as expected. In the provided solution, we identified that the grid class was not correctly initializing the text fields within the GridPane due to the initialize method not being called. By moving the initialization code to the constructor of the grid class, we ensured that the text fields were properly created and added to the GridPane. In the initial code snippet provided, we see the structure of the grid class, where the initialization of text fields within the GridPane is crucial. By consolidating the initialization logic into the constructor, we guarantee that the text fields are correctly set up and added to the grid. Continuing with the solution, we delve deeper into the revised implementation of the grid class. By refactoring the code to focus on setting up the text fields within the GridPane directly in the constructor, we address the issue of the grid not being displayed within the ScrollPane. Moreover, we explore the utilization of the grid class without subclassing GridPane, thus promoting better code organization and future flexibility. By encapsulating the GridPane within the grid class and offering a getView method to retrieve it, we enhance the structure of the code and maintain a clearer separation of concerns. Moving on to the MainVC class, we observe how the onMnuItemNewAction method effectively instantiates a new grid object with the specified parameters and sets it as the content of the ScrollPane. By ensuring proper alignment and styling, the grid of text fields is now displayed centrally within the ScrollPane. Wrapping up our discussion, we've successfully resolved the issue by aligning the initialization of the text fields within the GridPane with the constructor of the grid class. By following this approach, the grid is now correctly displayed within the ScrollPane, showcasing the desired functionality. Remember to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below with your thoughts on this neat little JavaFX tweak.